Children, good morning. Welcome to our social class. Right? I hope you all enjoyed the previous video. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Shall I sing a prayer song? Right. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Right. Children, first I show you one image. Right? You see the image? What is the difference between left side and right side? You see the image? You identify what is the difference between left side and right side. Right? Can you guess? Okay. The left side, sunny, it's a sunny grass and warm and good vegetation. Right? In right side, the right side image is cold, ice, dry and no vegetation. Right, children? Something similar happened in the life of early humans of the Paleolithic age, and they entered a very new phase. Today we will learn about those phases which came after Paleolithic age. Right, children? This is the image of Paleolithic painting. Today we are going to see about Mesolithic age. Right? 12,000 years ago, major change in the climate of the world. 12,000 years ago, there came a major change in the climate of the world. This was the end of the last glacial age or the ice age. Right? The climate became warmer, and so there came a major change in the life of the people all around the world. This age, which began about 12,000 years ago and ended around 10,000 years ago, this called the Mesolithic age or the Middle Stone age. This is the image of Neolithic man, right? The Mesolithic and Neolithic ages. In this age, many new plant species grow in the warmer climate. Huge tracts of land which were earlier covered with ice sheets now turn into grasslands. Right? Ice sheets now turn into grasslands. This increased the number of herbivorous animals, which in turn increased the number of carnivorous animals. These changes in the climate conditions changed the lifestyle of these Mesolithic humans. Now they could easily get animals to hunt. Trees were laden with fruits and many wild grasses grew abundantly. The seeds of these grasses provide them with alternate sources of food other than animals and fruits. So producing food became easy. Now they could use their spare time to invent and discover new things, which changed their lifestyle. Changes happened in tools, food habit, shelters and living conditions. Slowly they abandoned their nomadic lifestyle and started settle down at a place. This phase of human civilization is known as the Neolithic age or New Stone age. Right, children? This phase is called the Neolithic age or New Stone age. Children, I think you all cleared about this topic, right? Today we discussed about the Mesolithic age and Neolithic ages. What do you mean by Mesolithic age and Neolithic ages? Means The changes in the climate conditions changed the lifestyle of the Mesolithic humans, right? They so they easily get animals to hunt, right? Trees were laden with fruits and many wild grasses grow abundantly, right? So they have a lot of spare time. In that time, they have to spend, invent, and discover new things. What are the new things? Tools, food habit, shelters, and living conditions. Right, children? Okay, I will ask some question. You answer me. Right? Name the age which came after the Paleolithic age. What is the age which came after the Paleolithic age? What is the answer? Yes, the answer is Mesolithic age. Right? Name the age which came after the Mesolithic age. Name the age which came after the Mesolithic age. Neolithic age. What changes happened in the Middle Age? The climate became warmer, many new plant species grew. Right, children? I think you all cleared about this topic. This is time for your homework. Do practice zone 3 in book page number 24 and do question number 8, 9, 10 in worksheet page number 14. Right, children? Okay, children? Thanks for listening. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you, children.